What's good, YouTube? So today I'm going to be talking about 4 undervalued stocks that in my opinion are amazing buying opportunities today, October 5th, 2023. These are 4 stocks that in my opinion have potential to go up over 1,000% within the next year. This is not financial advice whatsoever. You do your own research before you invest in any stock. But before I do get into these 4 stocks that are really undervalued today, make sure to go down and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I will be saving my personal favorite stock for the end, so make sure to stick around to the end of the video. But let's go ahead and start off with the first stock that in my opinion is really undervalued, which is Lucid. Lucid is a company that produces electric vehicles. It's like another Tesla, except Lucid has never been this low in history ever since it opened. So the stock did open back in 2020, around $10 it opened, and it shot up all the way to $50. Now my brother actually invested in Lucid right here at around $20, and he tripled his money here. He sold at the top. It shot up past $55, and ever since this shoot up, we have just been on this downhill trend. Now it did open back in 2020. I remember this year in 2023 we did see Lucid shoot up from $8 to $17. I remember like it was yesterday just seeing that happen, and then now Lucid is trading at $5, which is actually insane to me. Electric vehicles are the future. Electric vehicles are going to be around for as long as you live, for as long as I live. In like 10 more years, we are going to stop producing gas vehicles and electric vehicles are going to take over. Now, Lucid at the moment, it is producing really expensive cars, but in the future, I think they are going to start selling vehicles at a lower price so more people can start buying them. Right now, their cars are really expensive, so they don't get a lot of sales. But in my opinion, I think the stock is really undervalued, and I do think in the next year that we will be seeing this stock past $20, $30, $40, $50. So this is just my opinion, not financial advice. I really do think Lucid is undervalued. It's been on my watch list forever, ever since 2021. So make sure to add it to your watch list. I'm not saying to go dump a bunch of money into this stock. I'm just saying add it to your watch list. You know, keep it there. If it's not on your watch list, make sure to add it, because I do think this stock is really undervalued. Now for the second undervalued stock, in my opinion, is Rumble. One of my favorite creators on YouTube is Steve Will Do It. He did get bans from YouTube, so he creates videos on Rumble now. We got Andrew Tate creating videos on Rumble. We got a lot of big influencers that are only creating videos on Rumble. And Rumble is at an all-time low as well. It's currently at $5 like Lucid. We have seen Rumble run up to $14, $15, and it has been known for doing these spikes. If we do zoom in, it has been spiking, and this is the all-time low. It's never been this low. It shot down to $4.80, made a little comeback, but it did open this stock like Lucid at around $10 back in 2021. And I think Rumble is just like, it's another YouTube, you know. I think Rumble is going to stick around for as long as we live, as well as YouTube, and I think this is just a good buying opportunity. I really do think it's undervalued right now. Just add it to your watch list is all I'm asking you to do. So let's go ahead and dive into the third stock. A lot of y'all are gonna think I'm insane, but if y'all look at my channel, you know I'm this type of investor. I'm a value investor. I love to invest my money into one stock that is really undervalued. I know that might sound insane to a lot of investors, but from my personal experience, it's the only way I've made real money in the stock market. So the third stock that I really think is undervalued is GameStop, the one and only, the meme stock of all meme stocks. I mean, not really. We will get into the fourth stock in a bit, but the third stock is GameStop. Now, Mikey, why is GameStop undervalued? Isn't it going to like $10? So let's go ahead and zoom out on GameStop. So GameStop hasn't been this low since the run up in 2021 when it shot up over 1,000% to $350. Now, my brother's the one that got me into the stock market. I saw his account. I saw with my own eyes go from $4,000 all in GameStop to $25,000. And like a dumbass, he didn't sell. Don't make the same mistake. When you're up that much, sell. No stock can go up forever. It's impossible. Every stock is going to go up and down. The only real way to make money in the stock market is to buy and sell, in my opinion, not financial advice. GameStop hasn't been this low since the 2021 run up. Now, I do think that GameStop has the potential to go a lot lower, possibly $10. But right now, I think it is still a good buying opportunity because we haven't been this low since the run up in 2021. We have seen big run ups from $16. We went all the way to $26, and now we're back to $14. In my opinion, it is a good buying price. I would buy at this level. They just got a new CEO that really loves his job. He's looking into everything he can do with GameStop, and I do think that GameStop will be around. Not financial advice once again. I need to say this because I'm going to get a lot of hate in the comments for talking about these stocks, but this is just my personal opinion, guys. These are 4 undervalued stocks in my opinion. So going into the 4th stock, a lot of people are gonna hate me, but if you look at my channel, I mean, I talk about this stock every single day. The one and only AMC. Before you click off this video, let me get into why I think this stock is undervalued. For one, AMC has been a stock since 2014, and it's never been this low in almost over 10 years. It's never been this low in history for no apparent reason. The stock has been diluted. Yes, it has. The CEO, Adam Aaron, did sell 40 million shares a couple weeks ago. And ever since the 10-to-1 conversion, AMC has dropped nearly 90%. 90%. In 1 month, it dropped 90%. Now, why do you think this stock is undervalued, Mikey? Well, before the split, we would be trading at 80 cents. And if you do some research into AMC, the amount of revenue that is going to be coming in for the next couple of quarters is going to be mind-blowing. It hasn't came out yet. The news hasn't came out, and we're at an all-time low. It's never been this low in history. In all of AMC's life, it's never been this low, which is why, in my opinion, it is undervalued. Very good buying opportunity. This is not financial advice, but I personally have been buying at this level, and I do think that we are going to see some major moves to the upside very soon. Not financial advice, just add these 4 stocks to your watch list. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to add those 4 stocks to your watch list if you haven't already, and also make sure to go down and subscribe if you're new to the channel. This is actually the first video I make like this, talking about undervalued stocks. I normally just talk about one stock, but I did get a comment the other day, why don't you go over other hidden gems that have potential? So it gave me this idea to just make this video on 4 undervalued stocks. We got Lucid, Rumble, GameStop, and AMC. A lot of people are gonna hate me, a lot of people are gonna love me. I don't give a shit. This is just my personal opinion, not financial advice for the millionth time. But yeah, guys, drop a like on this video if you enjoyed. Go down and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.
Here we go. Come on.